Hi, my name is Sunita. This time I am using the Python program using at IDLE. The program is audio file where I am using the audio file. How we can implement the audio file? First, I have used two methods. First, if I run this. In this code we do not use any do not need any use the library, but in second method we it is compulsory to install the library. The library name is pip install play sound. Then you install this, then you give import this file, then I done it. There I have used two methods. Both are similar, but in one method we have to install the library, and second method is normally you can use it by is an inbuilt function OS. We know the OS. Also, we are familiar with the OS. So this is the very small program. Thank you.